Hello guys, today's project for doing it yourself is to make a Christmas decoration since we're in the season for 2020. And again, I'm doing this on a budget. This was part of a headboard and I like the pattern it has on the top. It's all wood and it has a little pattern cut out in the wood. So what I'm going to do is I use masking tape, the painter's tape, and I put it around here because I want to protect this background, which I won't paint. I will paint all the way around and I'm going to use a white paint, and so that's why I put the painter's tape there. But first I'm going to sand it so it looks nice and smooth, and it's solid wood, so I'm going to put a Christmas decoration on it and see how that comes out. So first I'm going to sand it. Okay, again, I'm going to use a white paint and it's from Sherwin Williams. So again, you make sure that you mix your paint really good before you start painting, and also clean the surface of whatever you're painting. So I'm going to use this little sponge to paint it because it's not very much to do, so it probably will need maybe 2 coats. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm cutting in all the edges first. Okay, so I'm finished painting it, and so now, and it's dry, so I'm gonna remove the painter's tape. Let's see. Whatever went over, I can clean it off. The plastic ties that you can find at the hardware store if the other thing is too short, so I'm going to use this one to secure it in the center of this. Okay, so that's what I'll do. String it in the wreath, take it to the back. And I add a little burlap ribbon around it, and it's the wired kind, so you can manipulate it however you want. If you want to curl it, you can curl it, or whatever you want to do. For me, it's fine the way it is. I didn't even have to tie it, so it stays still however you want to put it. It works fine. So that's the end of this project, and that's the Christmas decor that I just made. And this is the end result of the do-it-yourself Christmas decoration. And it's all finished. You can hang it on the wall, or you can put it just to decorate around the house. And this is it. Thank you again. See you next time.